Alright guys, so I just wanted to let you know that MIRA support right now is at like $2.50. So like this morning, what I did,
you only had them back then. All these be them facts. The ops, they be capping. PTSD when I draw, got a back in. CCB had a shake on me. Ops have me boxed in. Playing me on a DIE. What the fuck you mean? I was not.
Sorry about that. Alright. Back to business. Alright, MIRA. We had a fucking giant fucking buyer. Okay? Listen, this candlestick, a volume candlestick. Like whoever just bought today, like I swear to God, like if it was all of us, that's dope. But I have a fucking feeling that it was a whale. I have a feeling, and what a whale is, if you don't know what a whale is, it's somebody that literally loads the boat. Like they'll buy a million shares, 100,000 shares. Like I would say, if you have a profile and you have like shares in it and options, calls, whatever, and you have like 4 shares of this, 4 shares of that, 2 shares of that, 3 shares of that, but then you got 10,000 shares of MIRA. That's called a whale. That's a fucking whale. And I'm honestly like I'm a mini whale. Like I'm a, what do you call it? A gold, not a goldfish. It's like there's like a, the tiers. It's on Reddit. But anyways, dude, this volume candlestick. Let me read this technical out. I'm on TradingView. If you guys ever want a great tool, like a tool that's going to help you out tremendously, TradingView is the best. I mean, I don't know how the community on TradingView is not bigger. It's a little confusing to me, actually. Like I don't know why. Maybe it's too expensive. It's too expensive for what people know and can do without paying. That's the thing. So this volume candlestick was large enough to go over my previous support from, I think, Wednesday, or it's Friday. So like this was my previous support line on Tuesday, Wednesday, and they literally, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like I wish I could show you guys a chart, but like it's insanity. The volume that I did, like I can, what the hell? I can literally like try to let's see. I'm trying to find, like, if I can find the number of volume buyers right here. 103,000 people bought right after 89,000 people were selling pressure. So there was 89K selling pressure, and literally moments after, right at market open, right at 6 a.m. Right at 6 a.m. So it's almost like somebody planned this shit and bought right at the lowest point, which was $2.09. Wow. So that person got in really good. They got in lower than the support that I had said, which is crazy. So our support is actually 209. 209. I'm gonna say 209. I don't want to lowball anybody. I want you guys to get your money. So 209 is the support. What that means is, like, the stock could run up, the stock could drop a little from selling pressure, like it is right now. It's at 217. It's negative 0.91 cents. So it's dropping a little from the selling pressure. I highly doubt it's going to go under that 209. I highly doubt it because of that volume candlestick, positive buying pressure. Like I said, guys, share the videos. Investor sentiment is huge. Think of GameStop. You know what I mean? Low market cap. Something you believe in. You know what I mean? Like, this could get bumped further than we think. A lot further. Okay, so the last time we had a volume candlestick like this over here on Friday, the one we have from today, we literally ran up, bro. We ran up from Monday. Okay, so the last time we had a positive buying candle this large enough to make a fucking noise, was Monday. Monday morning, I'm pretty sure, is when the Guru Focus and all of those articles that dropped. And Monday, the low was, let me tell you, the low the low was $1.60, and that's literally like where the volume candle that I'm talking about went past on the chart, and that's how I'm like, whoa, like honestly, that means that's a good thing. That means we're heading in the right direction. That means that we have people looking at the stock. I mean, 103K for a stock with a market cap like this is really good. Like if we can keep this up, keep this momentum going, we're gonna see a lot of changes. We're gonna see new support levels every day. We're gonna see green days every day. We're gonna see like 4 out of 5 market days. Mirror will be green if it has positive buying pressure and it keeps going. Remember, the price target in this is $17. My price target in this is $26, $27. And I'll explain in another video why I think it could go like that. So last time it ran up 7% plus 3%, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that was like 11% plus another 4%. So like that's crazy. And then it had a dip, a drawback, because like that was a huge like burst, But if you would have waited a couple days, you would have had changes of another 5. Well, I mean, technically it's like, after the dip, it's more. But like from the point period of the high from Monday, it's gone up another 4% plus 2% plus 4% plus 3%, 4%, another 4%, another 4%, another 4%. So it goes up like by 4% at a time. That's crazy. And then we have a huge like spike that happened Wednesday, and that led us to our highest. What is it called? Highest, basically the resistance. Like our highest resistance was like 250, I think. 256. And then Wednesday there was a surge of a little higher. It was like 5.65%. So, and then boom, right after that, people sell. It's gonna be annoying and it's gonna be frustrating, but you're gonna have to put up with it and you're gonna have to deal with it. But as long as the sentiment is there, you'll be fine. And as long as you stick to the support, like it's at 215 right now as we speak, that's the perfect level to place your limit order. That's what I did. I already did that. So this morning I had 60 shares go through at $2.15. And if you can see, if you go and you read the charts and you hover your mouse over the candles, it'll show you where the low is, like on TradingView. So what you can do is you put your cursor on the candle, and it shows you the opening like price for that time period, the high price for that time period, the low price for that time period, and the closing price for that time period. And this happens day by day. So you're gonna want to keep an eye on that because support changes day by day, especially with a stock like this with the lower market cap. Let's see. The resistance right now for me, for you guys, I want to say is $2.50. So if we can break $2.50 next week, Monday or Tuesday, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have those gains of 4%, 4%, 4%, 4% at a time, because of the buying pressure that we're getting, and we're getting more buyers right now. We're turning green. Then you can um, set yourself up for the following days. If you want to buy more shares, set yourself up with the support level as your limit order. All right, guys. Thank you.